Hi, I'm Deb Dana, and this is the newly released Polyvagal Flip Chart. And I'm excited to give you a brief tour of the flip chart today. Each page has a piece of polyvagal theory described, and on the back of the page, the side that's facing you, the therapist, is a description and explanation of what your clients are looking at on the front side. So you have a cue card that goes with each of the pages. The pages of the flip chart take you through the organizing principles of polyvagal theory one at a time, and then spend time with some of the basic elements, some of the more important elements. So you're taken through hierarchy, neuroception, co-regulation, and then there's some time spent with the social engagement system and with the vagal break. And I'm especially excited about the vagal break because this is both an essential element of polyvagal theory and very difficult to understand and explain. So I'm excited that you get this wonderful description illustration for clients, and then on the back, a real good explanation for you so you can take your clients through that process. The final pages of the flip chart are the maps, the basic maps that we use in adult version, kid version, tracking maps. And the thing that's lovely about the flip chart is the paper is all write on and erase paper. So you can use these with your clients during a session, take an image of it, and then erase it and reuse it for your next client. So I hope you will be as excited about the polyvagal flip chart as I am, and really find a way to anchor in polyvagal theory using it with your clients, either showing them the page that you're working with as you're in session or teaching them polyvagal theory in the beginning.